If you want to create an account in Presentations.AI, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your browser and then go search for Presentations.AI and click right here, try for free. And then basically what you're going to do, you can log in with LinkedIn, Google, or manually with an email. In my case, I'm going to just use Google, right? And then basically I'm going to move on to continuing right here, okay? And I'm going to wait for a few moments until the process is done. And basically after I create my account, I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Here I'm gonna select my current role, let's say leadership. I'm gonna continue. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, and as you can see, I can have access right here to the Presentations.AI. It says right here upload the background content, and basically you're gonna be able to get to know more about how to convert your idea into a stunning presentation. Cancel right here, you're gonna be able to see the dashboard. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.